Welcome to today's session. Today we will be highlighting few essential tips that we learn from a tree. Essentially, if you look at beautiful green tree, you will be seeing five components in it. One is root. Essentially and generally, it is under the soil, being deep rooted, and holds the tree with his capability to stand firm and upright. Deeper the root, deeper the capability to stand firmly on the ground. Enriched the root under the soil enables the tree to stand firmly in spite of having the thunderstorm. Then comes the respective stem. The stem provides the confidence to stand firmly, sky high, and giving the inner strength with confidence for the tree to live long. The stem is a communication channel between the root and the leaf, which is upward. The next comes is beautiful green leaf. The beautiful green leaf make the tree and the forest ecosystem green, vivid and bright. The function of the leaf is to perform photosynthesis, that is nothing but preparing the food for the tree, taking the sunlight, taking the carbon dioxide and producing beautiful oxygen, which is essentially required for every animal or other living being to live. Then comes flower. Flower is a beautiful object that is enriched with color, that is enriched with various smells, that attracts the honeybee like a magnet. And the quality of flower, feature of flower differentiates one tree from another. Then comes fruit, which is the end product of the tree. And these fruits are really beautiful sugary container, which makes the consumer or who is actually eating the fruit happy, healthy, energetic, young, mindful, and really peaceful after having that, and when stomach is really full. With these five components and learning, if you map those in your various areas of life, you will have a wow moment of understanding. First is root. Root is equal to your knowledge, your ability, your aspiration, your skill, your experience. So deeper the knowledge is, deeper the experience is, deeper the willpower is, you will be able to cope up with any external challenge in the world. Then comes stem. Stem is nothing but a beautiful, firm, high standing, bold wooden object. In the same manner, in your personal and professional life, if you become really bold, if you become really confident, if you become really enabled, empowered, and enriched, so that the upcoming ups and downs will not make you impacted. So be like a stem. Then comes beautiful leaf. So leaf is the object where it produces the glucose, it produces the oxygen, Similarly, you have your fundamental working capability, fundamental delivery model enriched so that in every aspect of your contribution you can create unique value such that your customer, your consumer will be really benefited. And then comes flower. So flower is a beautiful object where it provides a beautiful color and the respective fundamental smell so that the honeybee will be essentially attracted. In the same manner, you go ahead and nourish your quality with a unique value creation, with a interdisciplinary value addition so that your end customer will be benefited. And finally, the fruit is the end result. You should have an outlook of future-oriented approach. You should have a greater vision. What you will do next, how you can create the ecology, enhance with your product and services. The best part of the tree is it very well know how to handle the situation, because throughout the year beautiful leaf is producing oxygen, producing glucose, but it let them fall when it turns from little to green and then green to gray and then not able to add value anymore. In the same manner, what happens in your life, you can see something is not working, some legacy practice is really broken. In that case, you have to have a beautiful habit, a beautiful wow creating moment that is nothing but let it go. Do not hold back which is not working, be it a process, be it a method. Be creative and take new aspiring moment, new aspiring attitude, new aspiring approach so that your legacy will go off. You will get a new horizon, new fruitful result with new value added horizon being created with a newer approach. So life is dynamic. Your approach, your attitude must be dynamic in order to cope up the ups and downs coolly with your experience, with your knowledge, with your skill, so that you will be really ensuring your sustainable growth by achieving the competitive advantage in your constant mind power enrichment capability enhancement, as well as practicing the best practice formula by using. You will be a super sustainable, growth oriented, successful people. Thus we can really integrate the learning from the tree to our system, to our life, to make our ecology really empowered, enriched and move on. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. Take this learning into your daily practice, and thus your life will be satisfactory, your life will be fulfilled, and you will ensure more empowerment, more enlightenment, and you will grow in a sustainable manner in your life for happy and joyfulness. Thank you.